Iranian state media reported on Saturday that the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps, that is IRGC, has seized a container ship near the Strait of Hormuz amid escalating tensions in the region. This action comes in the aftermath of a deadly Israeli attack on Iran's consulate in Syria, where the IRGC suffered significant casualties, including the loss of 7 members, including 2 generals. The ship has now been guided towards the territorial waters of our country, state-run IRNA reported. The vessel was identified as the Portugal-flagged MSC Aries, which reportedly departed from a port in the United Arab Emirates en route to India. It is associated with the London-based Zodiac Maritime, a part of the Zodiac Group run by Israeli billionaire Eyal Ofer and his family. Footage from the deck of the vessel obtained by the Associated Press news agency on Saturday showed soldiers rappelling down from a helicopter. The helicopter appeared to be a Soviet-designed MiL Mi-17, which is operated by the naval forces of the IRGC. Zodiac Maritime said in a statement that MSC, an Italian-Swiss shipping group, was responsible for all vessel activities. MSC confirmed that the vessel, which had 25 crew members on board, was the Portugal-flagged MSC Aries. The company stated that it is collaborating closely with port authorities to ensure the safety and well-being of the crew and the vessel's safe return. The incident occurred in a strategic waterway crucial for global trade, with the United Kingdom Maritime Trade Operations reporting that the vessel was seized by regional authorities 50 nautical miles northeast of Fujairah, UAE. This event follows a previous attack on an Israeli-linked container ship in the Indian Ocean attributed to Iran by the United States, emphasizing the heightened tensions in the region. Israeli Foreign Minister Israel Katz said in a post on X that the move by Iran was a pirate operation in violation of international law. He called on the European Union and the free world to immediately declare the IRGC a terrorist organization and to sanction Iran now. The US military is moving more military assets to the Middle East as it anticipates an Iranian response to the Israeli attack on the consulate in Syria. US President Joe Biden said he expected an Iranian retaliation to come sooner than later and that Washington will continue to defend Israel. Since the start of the war in Gaza, after Hamas-led October 7 attacks in Israel, the US has sent thousands of bombs and ammunition to its ally Israel, despite growing international criticism, along with moving warships and troops to the region.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.